the Diamond Studio Garden at Community Montessori School in Southern Indiana.
Our studio set out on a journey to reconstruct our classroom garden. Each member of our studio worked together closely to ensure the success of this beautiful garden. As a studio, we collaborated to design a plan that would be carried out by each learner. The process encouraged teamwork, research, and effort that would in return give us a key experience to remember. The Diamond Studio research team studied the natural process of designing a garden. We found a variety of plants that would be suitable for our garden and our environment. Our research concluded that different types of tomatoes and peppers were our best options.
The building committee worked as a team to build the garden. We used mathematics and concepts of geometry to design the layout of the garden box in order to accommodate the spacing of our plants. This team broke into small groups to construct our garden box by leveling the ground, pre-drilling holes, and assembling it.
After the construction of the garden, each member of our studio supported the planting process. We began to till the ground and prepare for planting. We used compost that was created earlier in the school year, which we added to the garden. After adding compost, we leveled the ground and placed landscaping fabric to prevent weed growth.
Now we were ready for planting. Learners laid out plants according to our research on spacing and plant needs. We also took turns watering our garden to help seedlings in their growth.
After waiting and waiting, finally we got our first sprout of produce. It was totally awesome. We kept watering so that our plants would start to blossom and grow our vegetables. The produce came in waves. We started to harvest for our daily snack.
The learners gathered the produce daily, washed, cut up, and served for daily snack.
We have really enjoyed the experience and looking forward to learning from our struggles and continuing our success.